Your phone unlocks when it sees your face. YouTube knows exactly what you want to watch next, and AI can now write, draw, and even talk like humans. But here's the real question. How does AI actually work? Don't worry, no complex coding, no boring theory. In the next 5 minutes, you'll understand AI better than most people. At its core, AI is not magic. It's just a system trained to recognize patterns. Think of it like this. If you show a child 1,000 pictures of cats, eventually the child learns what a cat looks like. AI works the same way, but instead of a brain, it uses data and algorithms. Emphasis: the more data it sees, the smarter it becomes. Now, this brings us to the most important concept: machine learning. Machine learning is how AI learns from data. Instead of programming every rule manually, we give AI examples, and it learns on its own. For example, show AI thousands of spam emails and thousands of normal emails. Now it can automatically detect spam. No human tells it the exact rule, it figures it out by itself. Now let's go one level deeper. AI uses something called neural networks. These are inspired by the human brain. Imagine layers of tiny decision makers. First layer detects simple things. Next layer detects shapes. Final layer understands the full object. That's how AI can recognize faces, voices, and even emotions. It's like building intelligence, step by step. Here's where things get interesting. AI doesn't become smart instantly. It has to go through training. Step 1, feed it data. Step 2, it makes predictions. Step 3, it makes mistakes. Step 4, it learns from those mistakes. This process repeats thousands or even millions of times. Just like humans learn from failure, AI improves the same way. Now, you might be thinking, where do we see this? Everywhere. Netflix recommending movies, Google Maps finding fastest routes, voice assistants understanding you, and self-driving cars detecting roads. AI is already part of your daily life. You just didn't notice it. So now you know, AI isn't magic. It's data, learning, and smart systems working together. And this is just the beginning. If you want to stay ahead in the future, understanding AI is not optional anymore. Subscribe for more simple AI videos, because the future is already here.